Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover your Roblox account without email or phone number? Well, in order to go ahead and recover a Roblox account without a email or phone number, you must contact the Roblox support via their support from roblox.com/support. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Safari and then simply go ahead and search for roblox.com/support. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Once you've done that, all you need to do is enter your date of birth, then simply go ahead and follow the prompts on the screen. So they're going to ask you to try to log in into your account. Well, it's not going to happen. So all you need to do is just enter your date of birth, day, year, the mail that was previously used on your account, and then just explain your entire thing that happened on your form right over here, and that is about it. Simply go ahead and submit and wait, and then they will go ahead and respond to you. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.